Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad School's Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This lecture is for grade pre-9th for the subject of Pak Studies, and we are doing unit number 1, which is Ideological Basis of Pakistan. This is lecture number 4 from unit number 1. In this lecture, we are going to cover the exercise of this unit. First of all, we will do the short questions answers. You can find these questions on your Pak Studies textbook, page number 17. Dear students, please open page number 17 from your textbook and open your Pak Studies register. You will have to write down all these short questions and their answers in your register, so please prepare it. Okay, you will write down question and answers of these short questions in your register. Okay, on page number 17 from write short answers, the short question number 1 is, what did Quaid-e-Azam say when he inaugurated the State Bank on July 1, 1948? 1 जुलाई को 1948 में जब स्टेट बैंक की इनाग्रेशन सेरेमनी पे कायद-ए-आज़म ने कुछ कहा था, वो उन्होंने क्या कहा था? आप खुद भी इसका आंसर यहाँ पेज नंबर 15 पे एट द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट वाइल इनाग्रेटिंग द स्टेट बैंक, लास्ट वाला पॉइंट जो है पेज नंबर 15 पे, ये पॉइंट इसका आंसर है. आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इट इन योर register, and the answer is, while inaugurated the State Bank on July 1, 1948, Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh said, the economic system of West has created unsolvable problems and has failed to do justice with the people. We should present an economic system before the world which should be based on the true concept of Islam and social justice. This is the answer of first short question. Please write down this answer in your notebook. Sorry, in your register. Pause the video and write down this answer. Make sure to write down very neatly. मुझे ये कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, फिर भी मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ कि जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आप ब्लू मार्कर के साथ राइट डाउन करेंगे और जो इनके आंसर्स हैं वो आप ब्लू इंक पेन के साथ लिखेंगे, और बिल्कुल नीट होना चाहिए. आपकी राइटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अननीट नहीं होना चाहिए. आपका काम बिल्कुल नीट होना चाहिए और पता चले कि ये मैट्रिक स्टूडेंट्स ने किया है. इज़ इट क्लियर? ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज़, व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय टू नेशन थ्योरी? टू नेशन थ्योरी के बारे में हमने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है और इसका जो फैक्ट आंसर है वो आपको मिलेगा पेज नंबर 4, मीनिंग्स ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान. हियर 3 points are given and the third point is its answer, which is, the two nation theory implies that the Hindus and Muslims are the two largest nations in the subcontinent, but these two nations have not been able to mix with each other despite living together for centuries. के centuries से ये दोनों जो नेशंस हैं, मुस्लिम्स और हिंदूज़, ये इकट्ठे रहते आ रहे थे, लेकिन फिर भी एक दूसरे में मर्ज नहीं हो पा रहे थे. इनकी आइडेंटिटी, इनके कल्चर और इनके रिलीजियस वैल्यूज़ सब डिफरेंट था. ये दोनों नेशंस जो हैं वो सक्सेसफुली एक साथ नहीं रह पा रहे थे. द सेपरेट आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द मुस्लिम्स इज़ बेसिस ऑफ टू नेशन थ्योरी. पाकिस्तान वॉज फाउंडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टू नेशन थ्योरी, के पाकिस्तान का क्याम ही इस टू नेशन थ्योरी की बेस पे हुआ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज़, डिफाइन द टर्म आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान. ओके, the ideology of Pakistan is that ideological basis under which the Muslims of the subcontinent struggled for their identity, rights, separate homeland, and national welfare. Write down these questions and answers in your register. Question number 4 is, define अकीदा-ए रिसालत. रिसालत किसे कहते हैं? प्रॉफिटहुड. अकीदा रिसालत, अकीदा मतलब द बिलीफ. अकीदा रिसालत मतलब ऐसा बिलीफ, रिसालत पे बिलीफ, के प्रॉफिटहुड पे बिलीफ, कि अल्लाह ने इतने पैगंबर भेजे और वो सब अल्लाह की तरफ से थे और उनकी जो टीचिंग्स थी वो सब अल्लाह की तरफ से थी। इस बिलीफ को कहते हैं अकीदा रिसालत। बिलीफ इन द रिसालत prophethood means believing in all the Rasul's prophets. In order to enter the realm of Islam, it is essential to accept the Risalat wholeheartedly and not to doubt it anyway. Dear students, these answers are exactly taken from your um, chapter number 1, and the same answer you can find on page number 8. This answer is taken from page number 8 of your unit number 1. Question number 5 is, what was the purpose of establishing the East India Company by British? ब्रिटिश ने इंडिया में ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के नाम से ट्रेड स्टार्ट की थी। इसका पर्पस क्या था? The East India Company was founded by the British in 1600. The company used to formulate such economic policies in India that acquired the maximum financial benefits to the British. This answer is taken from page number 13. Economic deprivation of Muslims in India. In this topic you can find out this answer. I have written it here for you. Okay. Question number 6. When and who released the famous pamphlet entitled Now or Never? Okay, when we were studying about Chaudhry Rahmat Ali and two nation theory, in that topic we found that he released a pamphlet entitled Now or Never, which proved to be a strong support for Pakistan movement. So this pamphlet was released by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The same is answer. On January 28, 1933, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali released a 4-page pamphlet entitled Now or Never, which proved to be a strong support for Pakistan movement. Write down this answer. Okay, these were the short questions, and now let's move towards the long questions, the detailed questions from page number 17 of your book. Question number 4 is, write detailed answers, and the first question is, explain the source and significance of ideology. Okay, dear students, we already have studied all the pages from unit number 1. I have explained you this unit completely, and I hope you all have learned these topics. Now we will divide these topics in these exercise questions. And first question, explain the source and significance of ideology. You can find its answer on book page number 2 and 3. Please open page number 2. Here the topic begins, sources of ideology. On page number 3, the topic is importance of ideology. These two topics are included in the answer of this question. Mark it here on your book. Question number 2 is, explain the elements of ideology of Pakistan in detail. Okay, the answer of this question can be found on book page number 7 till 11. Please open your book page number 7. Here the topic starts, which is elements of ideology of Pakistan. When we were studying this topic, I told you that this is the answer of question number 2. I am again saying you to please mark this topic as the answer of question number 2. Elements of ideology of Pakistan from page number 7, 8, 9 and till 11. Complete. Next question is, explain the ideology of Pakistan in the light of Allama Muhammad Iqbal's pronouncements. Okay, you can find out the answer on page number 14. Here on page number 14 our topic is given that Allama Iqbal and ideology of Pakistan. This whole topic is the answer of this question. Please mark it as the answer of question number 3. Allama Muhammad Iqbal and ideology of Pakistan. Next question is, highlight the ideology of Pakistan in the light of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah pronouncements. Okay, you can again find its answer on page number 14 and 15. On page number 14, the topic begins by the name of Qaid-e-Azam and ideology of Pakistan. This complete topic starting from page number 14 and it ends on page number 15. Mark it as the answer of question number 4. Question number 5 is explain the ideology of Pakistan with reference to the basic values of Islam and socio-cultural aspects of Muslims in the subcontinent. Okay, you can find its answer on page number 4. Please open your book page number 4 where the topic is explanation of ideology of Pakistan with reference to the basic values of Islam, Muslim reforms and socio-cultural aspects of Muslim India. The topic name clearly defines that this is the answer of question number 5. Please mark this as the answer of question number 5. It starts from page number 4 and continues to the page number 7. The last subtopic of this question is awareness about ideology of Pakistan. यहाँ तक इसका आंसर है, please mark it. Next is question number 6, which is explain the two nation theory. Okay, open page number 11. On page number 11 you can find the answer with the topic of explanation of the origin and evolution of two nation theory with specific reference to economic and social deprivation of Muslims of the subcontinent. The two nation theory, origin and evolution. This starts from page number 11 and continues to page number 13. Last subtopic of this topic is economic deprivation of Muslims in India. Mark it as the answer of question number 6. Okay, now please open your diary, write down date, subject, and now write down your homework. And your homework is first of all, your homework is to learn all the short questions that you have written in this lecture, and another homework is to solve MCQs, fill in the blanks, columns on your book. Please open your textbook page number 15. Here the exercise begins with the objective part. The first is MCQs. These MCQs are to be done by yourself. जब आप ये कर रही हों, आपको हेल्प की ज़रूरत हो, आप पीछे यूनिट को ओपन करें, टॉपिक को ओपन करें और आपको इनकी आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. आप ये जो एक्सरसाइज ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं ये अपनी बुक के ऊपर सॉल्व करेंगे. MCQs, fill in the blanks, and on page number 17 here the columns are given. You have to match these columns. These questions are to be done on your book. This is exactly what your homework. Get your homework done by the next lesson. Good luck, dear students. This is end of today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.